Echoes in the rain, calling out my name. Fading dreams, yet they feel the same. Lonely shadows fall, but I'll rise again, guided by the echoes in the rain. The pavement shines, reflections blur, lost in the rhythm of what we were. The night conceals but doesn't hide the ache of love, the tears we've cried. Every step I take, the sound remains, a melody woven through the rain. Echoes in the rain, calling out my name. Fading dreams, yet they feel the same. Lonely shadows fall, but I'll rise again, guided by the echoes in the rain. Each droplet tells a story of love lost and fleeting glory. Through the storm I find my way, the echoes guide me come what may. Echoes in the rain, calling out my name. Fading dreams, yet they feel the same. Lonely shadows fall, but I'll rise again, guided by the echoes in the rain. As the morning breaks, the storm subsides, a newfound strength, the pain divides. Echoes in the rain no longer remain, I found myself beyond the rain.